How to pin a story to your Instagram bio using Android. Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how you guys can pin a story to your Instagram bio using Android. So simply open up Instagram on your phone, and then after that from over here just simply put up a story. So I will simply put up a story right now, and then after that, as soon as I put up this story, I will click on this plus button. Once I have the picture taken, I will click on your story, and then as soon as I have posted a story, after that I will simply click on my story, and then from over here I want you guys to just simply wait for the story to be posted. Now simply click on highlight at the bottom right, and then simply create a new highlight. So over here I will simply give it a name, click on add, and now as soon as you guys want to add some story to your highlights, it is going to be shown over here inside your Instagram bio over here. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually pin your Instagram stories in Instagram bio using Android. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.